Hey everybody, this is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. In this video, I'm going to continue my talk on what to consider when you're writing your paintless dent repair estimates. The more you understand the repair process, I think the better estimate you're going to write. If you think about paintless dent repair, you're going to write the estimate, but then somebody else is going to do the repair. That's what this video is going to show. In this one, I'm going to show you how to work a door. So what they're going to do on a door, they're probably going to get in behind this skin. The glue pulls, on average, they take longer. Now up here, you may not have any access. So on this rail up here, you're going to have to probably do a glue pull. There may be some access here. Chances are there's not. Generally, anything below the belt molding is going to be probably something that you can work out with your rods. Anything above that, you're probably looking at glue pulls. Now some just anatomy of body panels. This is a belt molding. This is the scalp molding. Now this actually doesn't have a scalp molding, but most vehicles have a chrome piece here or a black rubber piece here. That's scalp molding. Most vehicles, this trim is at your belt, so that's belt molding. This is higher. It's at the top of the door, so it's your scalp. So scalp molding, belt molding. All right, so a technician, if they're gonna get some dents behind this panel, they're gonna use their window shield, or I'm sorry, this is a window wedge, and they're gonna push it down in there, and then they're gonna put their window shield there, and that protects the window. And then depending on where the dent's at or what kind of dent they're dealing with, they're going to be able to get their tool in here, and then their leverage is going to be against this window wedge. Now I will tell you, whenever you're dealing with laminated glass, they make another device called a window bladder or a window bag. It actually looks like a whoopee cushion. What you're going to do is slide it in there and inflate it, and it's going to protect that laminated glass. Laminated glass is fickle sometimes. It's more prone to damaging on the edge than it is this tempered glass. So just be aware that if it's laminated glass, they're probably not going to use a window wedge. They're probably just going to use a window bladder and protect that edge. But anyway, that's what they're going to do on the door. It's very rare that they need to take the door panel off, but if they do, then they're going to open the door up, and then this door panel is just held on with clips and probably a few screws. They'll take that panel off, and that'll create a lot of access for them behind that door to work those dents out. I hope that video helped. If you're going to work catastrophe claims for auto, you're going to see this a lot. And like I said, the more you understand the repair process, the better adjuster you're going to be, and the more confidence you're going to have when you're going into a body shop writing supplements, talking to a paintless dent repair tech. I really appreciate you guys. I will see you in the next video.